To add Calendly to your Godaddy website, start by logging into your Calendly account and creating a new event type. This could be a meeting, call, or any other type of appointment you want to schedule with your website visitors. Once you have created your event type, click on the Share button and select the Embed option. Next, copy the embed code that Calendly provides. This code will be used to add the Calendly scheduling tool to your Godaddy website. Now, log into your Godaddy account and access your website builder. Click on the Pages tab and select the page where you want to add the Calendly tool. Click on the Add Section button and select the HTML section. Paste the Calendly embed code into the HTML section and click Done. The Calendly tool will now be visible on your website page. You can customize the appearance and settings of the tool to fit your website design and needs. To further customize the Calendly tool, you can click on the Settings icon in your Calendly account and select the Branding tab. From here, you can change the color scheme and add your company logo to the Calendly tool. This will help to create a seamless and professional integration with your Godaddy website. Once you have added and customized the Calendly tool, test it to make sure it is working correctly. You can do this by clicking on the Schedule button and completing the scheduling process. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a confirmation email with the details of the scheduled event. By following these steps, you can easily add Calendly to your Godaddy website and start scheduling appointments with your website visitors. This can help to increase productivity and efficiency, and provide a better experience for your customers.